Hello everyone, this is Dr. Prerna, and today in this video we will be talking about CA as a career option and BBA as a career option. I will be starting with CA first. In CA, as we all know, there are three levels: foundation, intermediate and final. So if we start with the foundation, there are few subjects like accounts and audit, then quantitative aptitude that cover mathematics, statistics and reasoning, and business economics and law. So if we talk about accounts and audit, they are subjective papers, and QA and business economics is a objective paper, and law is case based. So if you do a professional course, obviously it will help you to go through all these subjects in your professional degree also, and will help you to clear your CA foundation also, because case study pattern is already discussed in professional courses like BBA. Now talking about the second level, intermediate level, we have two groups, group 1 and group 2. And in group 1 there are 4 subjects, and in group 2 as well there are 4 subjects, and a student has to clear all the 4 subjects by scoring 40% in each subject, and in aggregate a student has to get 50% marks. So dear students, if you clear one group out of 2, you can start your articleship of 3 years anywhere, and along with that, side by side, you can clear your second group also. And before starting the articleship, you have to go to 45 days training at ICICI. So basically, when we talk about intermediate level and foundation level, intermediate is comparatively tough to clear, and the last year success rate was around 5 to 6%. So coming to the final level of CA, there are again 2 groups. The same rule apply. Every student has to pass with 40% minimum in all subjects and having an aggregate of 50%. And if you have 60% in any subject, and somehow you have to give exam again because of some subject, so that 60% subject will be given relaxation for giving the exam. So now let us go through the whole process. If any student goes through the process of becoming a CA, it minimum takes 5 to 6 years if you do all the levels without a break in one stretch, in one go. So and along with that, if you're doing this whole process, you'll be doing some coaching also for getting edge on the subject. And even in a city like Panipat, it takes it costs around 1 lakh rupees minimum for getting a coaching of 2 to 3 subjects in preparation of your intermediate foundation and final level, right, per group. So along with that, you have to pay some registration fee also, which is around 9200 in foundation, and 18,000 and 18,000 respectively in second and third year. So registration fee, coaching fees which you are going to pay, and then also getting done in one go is very, very, very difficult, but not impossible, dear. So it takes around 5 to 6 minimum years if you all clear in first attempt, and the journey is not over even after the completion of all these things. Like after becoming a CA also, it again depend upon from where you have done your articleship to grab the best career option for yourself. So now let us discuss what we gain in these 5 years. If I talk about all the positive aspect, we have undergone the rigorous academic knowledge of all financial subjects like direct tax, indirect tax, audit, accounts, etc., etc. But along with that, huge pressure at every level, very competitive, and hardship throughout the process. And the most important component is a fear and risk, whether I will be able to qualify at the end, yes or no. If we study the last year's statistics, the success rate was around 2 to 3%. Finally, after 5th year of final level. So the journey is not easy. If 100 students are starting the journey together at one stretch, only 2 to 3 are able to complete in 5 to 6 years, and that also after the completion. Your career success depend upon the articleship you have done from where, and how smartly you are able to handle the industry pressure. So after 5 years of investment, we are not sure whether we will become a CA, yes or no. So I say that the best career option for a commerce student undoubtedly is CA, becoming a CA. But my dear friends, there is side by side lot of risk, lot of fear. So I think if you want to do CA, take it as a plan A always, and please have something parallel in your pocket as a plan B that could help you to safe land in your career journey. So now come to the second aspect, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, which is a 3 years regular degree program offered by university like Kurukshetra University and Delhi University and many other universities. Now when I talk about BBA, it takes 3 years to complete. So what you gain in BBA is many of the subjects of CA are reciprocated in the course curriculum of BBA. Now how we can differentiate BBA from CA is, in BBA you will be undergoing through a systematic process in all 3 years, where you will be getting exposure to industrial visits, case studies, then role plays, then brainstorming sessions, and regular throughout the years there are academic activities planned with the certain course outcome and objective based processes, which not only help you to gain the academic input of the subject, but also the practical overall implementation of those subjects, and personality grooming process is also inbuilt part of BBA course curriculum. Now along with that, there are certain value addition courses also offered time to time, like digital marketing, data analytics, which is a need of our. Suppose you complete in 3 years your bachelor's degree, that is BBA, then you can invest 2 more years in your master's to gain a specialized knowledge in the management field, and overall after 5 years gaining all the managerial grooming perspectives, you become a manager who is ready to handle smartly the challenges of industry. Now, what is the basic comparison between CA and BBA? So, after completing your BBA, the chances of success are pretty more than that of the chances of success in CA. So, if not 80% to 90% of the student get a best career after the completion of their masters and graduation in managerial line. But if we talk about CA, the success rate is only 3% or 2%. So the opportunities which you can grab in managerial courses are much more. You can go to any industry, you can go to any sector, because you are smartly groomed and you are ready to accept all the challenges of industry. So what you are getting in BBA is your 5 years of college life, which is an asset for any individual to cherish throughout their life. You also get grooming environment where you can challenge yourself every day, because in CA all across 5 years it is mugging up, practicing and giving exam and qualifying the level. So skill building and skill grooming is missing in CA. Even you have qualified CA, but if you lag certain skills in your personality, you won't be able to grab a best career for you. But yes, while doing BBA, and if you enroll yourself in CA also together, taking CA as a plan A and taking BBA as a plan B, you can obviously, I am 100% sure that you can land very safely in your career graph, because on the back end you have your landing with managerial grooming, which makes you a smart manager ready to accept the challenges and doing teamwork in any organization where you get opportunity. So dear students, in college life you get so many event every semester, every level, so that you can get a lot of chances to challenge yourself, to groom yourself, to become the best out of yourself. And I believe like enrolling in a regular professional degree like BBA, and along with that doing your foundation for CA can really help you a lot. After doing BBA, you can go for your articleship at any good place, because believe me, there are two options. If an employer get one person who is really hard worker, he's ready to do all the hard work, and one person who is very proficient in doing smart work, industry prefer a smart worker than that of hard work. So in CA you learn how to do hard work, but in BBA you learn how to be a smart manager, or a person who is ready to do work smartly. So choice is all yours. All the perspective we have touched, the financial perspective, the time you are investing, the risk level you are going to face, and the fun-filled learning. In CA it is all very focused hard work, but in BBA it is a fun-filled learning where you get to have exposure of your annual festivals, your annual excursion tours, sports initiatives, then education tours, etc., 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 which is the asset for your whole life. You can cherish your college days, you can have a best bonding with your friends, you can have networking with your friends. So I think you can give a thought for opting a plan A along with the plan B, and no doubt CA is the best career option. I strongly support any good student who is above average should give a try for CA. Along with that, also should have a plan B in hand for safe landing to get a job in industry by doing BBA. And I think that's the best you can have in your life. At the end, I will just say a few lines. Warren Buffett has said that if you are having good communication skills and soft skills in your personality, you can earn 50% more in your career just because of those skills. And believe me, dear students, BBA is a course that makes you a confident, appropriate decision maker and a smart manager. So all these skills will surely help you to get the best in your career, to rise high with the safe landing. And with that, I'll say, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So I wish you all the very best for your all endeavors you are going to take up in your life. Wish you all the best. Have a happy life. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Thank you so very much.